How to create a box plot in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I have taken this dummy data of age and frequency, and in order to plot it or make it a plot box plot out of it, simply select all the datas and then go to insert. Now go to chart. After that, drag down this chart type and then simply select box plot from here. You will find these right over here, somewhere here. Looks like I do not have that, but if you do, you will be able to select it and it will automatically convert it into a box plot for you. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.